Guys, so it's time for the camera comparison between the brand new Moto G6 versus the Redmi Note 5 Pro. The Moto G6 has 12 plus 5 megapixel dual rear cameras with f1.8 aperture, while the Note 5 Pro comes with 12 megapixel f2.2 paired with 5 megapixel f2.2 aperture dual shooters. And before starting, I would really appreciate if you hit that like and subscribe button, cause I will be making more camera comparisons and speed tests with the Moto G6. Alright, so first off, starting with the daylight images, both the smartphones are doing an incredible job. The image shot using the Redmi Note 5 Pro is on the brighter side. Here's an image shot using the Moto G6 with HDR turned on. It definitely looks beautiful. The details are also maintained. And this image is shot using the Redmi Note 5 Pro with HDR on. Looks really impressive. Time for flower war, and just look at these images, guys. The Moto G6 is on the sharper side while the Redmi Note 5 Pro a bit brighter and soft. Looks great on both of them. Next we have an image of the tree, and it looks like both of the images are captured from the same smartphone. I mean, just look at the images, both of them looks nearly identical. So here's another image. I focused on the background, and the Moto G6 did an impressive job in blurring the foreground image as compared to the Note 5 Pro. Here's a shot of my Pixel 2 XL. Both of these smartphones took an amazing image. The Moto G6 on the sharper plus brighter side, while the one shot using the Redmi Note 5 Pro looks a bit dull and darker. Here's another beautiful shot, and the Note 5 Pro has very good exposure with wide dynamic range. Just look at those leaves and trees. Brighter on the Note 5 Pro, while the Moto G6 is bit sharper, maintaining the details, not bad at all. Beautiful image, and the Moto G6 just nailed it. Look at the color accuracy, sharpness, details, and everything is just perfect in the Moto G6. The one shot using the Note 5 Pro is a bit dull. Here's another shot of a building, and the Moto G6 a little bit brighter as compared to the Note 5 Pro. Here's an image of the car. Looks perfect on both of these smartphones. Another shot looks beautiful on both of these phones, but if you look at the background house, the colors are maintained in the Note 5 Pro while the Moto G6 fades there. This image shows great exposure and details shot using the Moto G6, while the one shot with the Note 5 Pro is also nice but on the bit darker side. Zoom in a little bit and you can see the difference, the G6 on the brighter side maintaining the details. Another image, and both of them did an incredible job. I mean, these smartphones are just giving tough competition to each other in daylight images. Here's another beautiful shot. The Moto G6 and the Note 5 Pro did an incredible job there. However, if you zoom a little bit on the background, the G6 maintains the details while the Note 5 Pro fades a little. Alright, here's a low light shot, and look at the image from the Moto G6. The yellow color of the wall is still maintained while it goes darker in the Note 5 Pro. Time for indoor images. The G6 on the brighter side with the accurate colors, while the Note 5 Pro brighter with a bit dull colors. Another image, and just look at the color difference, guys. The Moto G6 most accurate here. Here's another image showing off the colors, and the G6 maintaining all the details plus color accuracy. Note 5 Pro again on the dull side as compared to the G6. Here's a low light indoor shot. The G6 brighter with more details. The Note 5 Pro is on the darker side again. Another image which clearly shows the difference. Look at the brighter side and the darker side. The G6 again wins here. Time for front facing shooter, and here the Note 5 Pro with 20 megapixel camera really did an incredible job. Image shot using the Note 5 Pro is brighter, which actually looks great. Here's another shot. Looks great on both of these phones, but I still think the Note 5 Pro's 20 megapixel camera is better than Moto G6 16 megapixel camera. Time to compare the focus, and the G6 just focuses like it is nothing. I mean, the G6 is not having any difficulty in focusing. The focus is soft and fast. Literally an incredible job done by the Moto G6. The Note 5 Pro on the other hand focuses quickly. However, you can clearly see that unlike the Moto G6, it is taking time and focus is not soft at all. The G6 clearly wins here. Here's the beautiful slow motion video on the Moto G6. Just enjoy it. Here's the slow-mo shot using the Redmi Note 5 Pro, and both of these smartphones did an incredible job. Is the portrait shot, and both of them did a great job in edge detection. The Moto G6 of course better in color reproduction, while the Note 5 Pro a little bit dull in front of the Moto G6. So it's time for night images. First off, we have a beautiful shot. The Moto G6 clearly destroys the Note 5 Pro there. Look at the color accuracy, details, sharpness, everything just perfect in the Moto G6. Another image, and you can clearly see the Moto G6 on the sharper, brighter side, while the one shot using the Note 5 Pro looks clearly dull. Here's another image, and the color difference is clearly visible. The G6 most accurate and perfect there. Here's a zoomed image, and you can clearly see the difference in both of these phones. The G6 again sharp with more details. Another beautiful night shot. So this is it guys, both the smartphones were amazing. The Moto G6 definitely did an incredible job in capturing accurate colors most of the time in low light images and in night shots. The Note 5 Pro was also great in most of the images. It has great exposure and wide dynamic range. The front facing shooter is also incredible. However, it fails in capturing accurate colors and even fails in focusing as compared to the Moto G6. So this is it guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, cause I will making more camera comparison and speed test. So peace out.